Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use M5 Go to program a Neopixel strip. Let's see how it works. Let's look at the wire connection. We're going to connect M5 Go to a Neopixel strip using a Grove connector. Now in the M5 Go, you can use port A, B or C. In this case, I use port A. So we need a jumper wire to connect the Grove connector to the Neopixel strip. So we need a male and a female jumper wire, male-female jumper wire. But I do not have male-female jumper wire, so instead I use a male-male as well as a female-female jumper wire and connect it together. The wire has been connected successfully. So you have a Grove connector here, and then this is the male-male jumper wire, and this part is the female-female jumper wire. Now for the Grove connector, you need to know that the black wire is the ground, the red wire is the power, and the yellow wire is the signal. So it is ground, power, and signal. So the ground wire need to be connected. Okay, the ground wire, which is the blue one. Okay, the blue one is connected to another blue one. So it needs to be connected to the ground of the Neopixel. The red wire, which is power, is connected to the green wire here, which is connected to another green wire. And this is the power, so it needs to be connected to the 5 volt. And then finally for the yellow wire, which is the signal, which is connected to the white wire, and the white wire is connected to the D in. So ground, signal, and power on the Neopixel end. Again, ground, signal, and power. Let's look at the code. So in the setup block, I have a loop block. So where do I get the loop block? It's under event loop. Then I created 3 variables, R, G, and B. Where do I create the variables? Under variables here. And these 3 variables will have a random number, random value between 0 and 255. So these 256 values are the allowable values for the R, G, and the B. And then I have this set Neopixel 0 block. Where do I get this block? First of all, you need to import the RGB LED unit here. Once I've imported it here, you should be able to have an RGB LED under units. And this is where you get the set Neopixel 0 block. So I set the Neopixel from 0 to 10, from 1 to 10, because my Neopixel has 10 LEDs. And these 10 LEDs would have RGB values, random RGB values generated here. Then I wait for 0.5 seconds so that you can see the effect, otherwise it's going to be too fast for you to see it. Then I set the same Neopixel LEDs to black, which basically turn off the LED, and wait for 0.5 seconds again. So this part will generate the blinking effect. Then after that, I'll continue the loop again to generate another set of RGB values for the LEDs.